Replacing the spreader when the drone is powered off. Unscrew the control wires on both sides of the water pump. Unplug the hose. Unscrew the bottom cover. Replace the spreader. Loosen the wire that fixes the docking port and plug in the docking port. Secure the remaining wires. Install a tank expander when adding fertilizer. Turn on the remote control to connect to the ground station and power on the drone. Click the C button to check whether the spreading disc is operating normally. Turn the F button to open the hatch. Click the water pump opening to adjust the hatch size. The normal setting is 100%. When closing, first close F, then click the C key to close the spreading disc.